Okay, so we have cooked about 6 pounds of wings here at 400 degrees for about 45 minutes. And that's kind of what they look like right there. We're going to finish them on the grill today. I'm going to get my buddy Steve to help me out. And alright, so there's the tail end of us crisping them up on the grill after we put them in the oven there. I guess you could pre-cook them in the oven the night before you're going out to the stadium, and then take 15 minutes to grill them up like this and get them nice and crispy here. You got to watch the flare up, so have your fire extinguisher ready and be careful with the smoke getting in your eyes and make you cry a little bit. Looking good though. Alright, so we're getting ready to take them off, put them in the bowls here. We have mixed our sauce up here, if you can see it or not. And so it does settle over time, so make sure you shake it up again before you put it on the wings. So this has been sitting about 15 minutes. That's the Steven phone right there. Look at that. Yeah, he rotates there. He rotates that every once in a while to get it nice and distributed. Alright, so we have them in the bowls here. We've got the New York Go Garlic or Go Home. Gonna dump that on the cooked wings here, and we'll shake her up and get her inside, kind of get it warm. That's roughly about 3 pounds of wings there that was cooked down. This is a half batch of the sauce, so full batch will probably make 5 or 6 pounds easily. Steven's shake them up again. Doing the shake thing. Then we have the Green Bay Parsley Parmesan here. Steve approves. And we're just using our camera focus there for a minute, which is fine.
New York garlic. Very nice.
There you go. There Esteban. And now we dine.
Yahoo! Oh yeah, smells good.
Oh yeah. Ooh, boy, they soaked it up, didn't they?
Look.
Nice. All right, we're gonna eat now.
God.
See ya.